All right, folks, welcome back. We are just testing some settings in this beautiful little game right here. I'm testing the let me get up in the mic, test that right there so that way I can adjust that. There we go. All right. The mic is set. However, we are still having problems with this freaking chat over here. Hmm. All right, give me just a second. YouTube Live Control Center. Put that in here. There's that. All right. Now let's this stupid chat up here. It won't uh yeah, it won't shrink. This is the actual chat inside the thing. Preview scaling, zoom in, zoom out, lock preview. Preview is locked. Advanced auto properties, undo volume change in mic. No, we're not worried about that. Plugin manager. All right. Can we go to settings? Settings. What kind of settings can we do? Probably will be under advanced. Thank you guys for being patient with me on this testing and stuff like that. Stream delay enabled. Automatically reconnect in 2 seconds. IB4 and IB4. Okay. Sources enable browser source hardware acceleration. Blah blah. Uh, Hotkey focus behavior. Never disable those. All right. So, hmm. Accessibility. Source border. Use different colors. No, we don't care about that. Hotkeys. Let's see. Split recording. Start. Enable preview. Disable preview. Transition. Reset stats. Screenshot output. Quick transition. Cut. Quick fade. Scene. Switch scene. Headset. Hide headset. Show. 65-inch. Hide 65. Show game capture window. Let's see. Show outro. Show intro. That's scene switch. Scene one. Streamlabs chat. Show window capture. Switch the scene. Okay, so I found the Streamlabs chat, but it does not have a any type of it does not have any type of setting. Uh, that's weird, and I don't know what I did. All right, so I've got two types of chat, guys. OBS comes with its own uh little chat window in it, but then it also gives you the ability to make your um let's see, output automatically record when streaming, show confirmation, source alignment, snap sensitivity. System tray enable. Uh, let's see, preview, hide preview, to pixel live importers. Okay, so you have two things you can do in Steam. You can do the whole chat deal through OBS, uh, and then you can take and I'm reading at the same time I'm trying to talk, so if I sound slurred, that's why. Well, I mean that, and so font. Can we make that 16? No, we can't change that. Okay, well, no worries. All right. We already been to advanced. We already been to hotkeys, all that stuff. Okay, so okay, look, okay, we can close now. Okay, did it? Nope. What is it doing? Okay, so it shows that I'm still streaming. The only way that I can do this, streaming software connected. Okay. Do 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 do. I wish it would let me. All right. Hold on. Come on, work with me. I've got Creation Planet in Steam pulled up. All right. Well, it was. Let me do something. Okay, remove that. Is that possible? Uh, no source selected. Filters. Let's see. What is this? I'm not sure what we've done, guys. We've done something. Yeah, for whatever reason, it don't like it. All right, let's turn that back on. Stats. All right, stats is on. All right, so yeah, fit. All right, where's my stats thing? Stats. Oh, it won't let me put that in. Let's do this. Let's open reset user interface. We don't want to do that. We done that. It did not work. Uh, scene list grid. Okay. I understand. Let's do that list. All right. Let's see. Undo volume change. Transform. No, we don't want to do that. Order. No. Wait. Move up. Move down. All right. Let's see. Lock previewer. Previewer should be locked. Okay. Now let's go back to our docs. Lock docs. Full height docs. Uncheck that. Reset docs. I don't think we want to do that. Let's pull up the chat menu thing again. It's going to be gigantic. Uh, all right, so what I did, you know how you can control and zoom in and out like in a text document, such as like Notepad plus plus. Well, that's what I actually done to my OBS studio. I done that, and it it don't want to. It does not want to uh, zoom back out now. That's what studio mode does. Let's see, transition. No, we don't care about that. Streamlabs, preview Streamlabs, program Streamlabs. Can we pull this out now? Yes. We can pull that out. Snatch it out. Put it over here. Now, thing is we can't make it full screen because when we make it full, we go to make it full screen, it disappears on us. Okay. So that's what that does. So not do studio mode. Okay, what is this? Can we? There's that. All right, now. Docs, YouTube chat. Okay. Yes, so no matter what we do, it will not let us zoom out. Okay, let's inspect it. Oh, you know what? May have found something, guys. Give me just a second. All right, let's can we change this? Hold on. We may have found something. Layout. Okay, styles. All right. Let's see. Can we change that? Source console. I don't. Let's see. Live chat. Okay. All right. Let's see. We found something. Fonts. Fonts. We found a fonts thing. Can we do anything with that? No. All right. Let's go back to elements. All right. Let's see. Can we control zoom this in so we can see it better? All right. Now, live chat badges. Uh, let's see here. I guess I could show y'all what I'm doing, but I'm kind of a little concerned to do that because if I did, then you might see something like a password or something like that. Here's that. Go. I'm looking in the actual code itself into that window. I'm inspecting the element. All right. Chat app. Table index. Okay, that all is where it needs to be. Body. All right, here we go. Now, do we have a setting in here? Mirroring size. Icon. Icons. Do, 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 do. All right, let's move this to the other window. Oh wait, hold on. Application. Hold on. Hold on. All right. What is this? All right. I found something else. I'm not sure what I found. Uh, hmm. Focus, default indicia for spaces. All right. Uh, Workspace. Forecast throttling. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to find anything in that. All right. Can we? Okay, there we go. We was able to reset zoom. Can we zoom over there? Okay, hey guys, we got it. All right, let me put chat back in the window, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Yeah, there we go. All right. Do 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 do. All right, let's see. Windows capture. What device? Let's capture. I got it on Steam right at the moment, so let's put it on YouTube. So here's the actual chat that I've been messing with for like weeks now. Well, yeah, a couple of weeks. So I was able to zoom in and all that stuff, right? Uh, let's close it again. Let's pull it back up because it's cantankerous. Okay. But I was trying to zoom in on it. Uh, there we go. Now let's go ahead and yeah, because it don't like control mouse wheel. It doesn't like all that. So what I was trying to do is right there, which I don't know if you can see it or not. Okay, there we go. Zoom in, but if I go to this monitor over here, let me minimize Steam. Okay, and can I put this? Yep, there we go. Let's move this over here, like so, which is just enough right there, like so. Move this guy over here, compact him down, and then we can, which I can't hardly read over there on that monitor. But now, okay, perfect. I got your chat. All right. We fixed chat box. Finally. All right, so now I can see your chat from because this monitor over here, it's actually a 32-inch monitor. Okay, this guy right here, this guy right here, uh, this guy, this guy right here is a Hey, wait a minute, that's the wrong desktop. Is it that one? Nope, it's not that one. Let's see. Hold on. We'll add a source. Display capture. I think. Okay. Click OK. I gotta move this over to the other monitor so I can read it. Select display capture. All right. HDMI. I wonder which one that is. Okay. Yeah. So now I gotta adjust this little fella right here. Okay. Let me move you back over to desktop. See what happens when you go to play with settings, guys. You break shit, you screw shit up, tear it up, and all that stuff. Just throwing that out there. Come on. Let's see. Can we bring that down like that? That guy right here. There we go. Let's move around like that. Yep. What do y'all think? All right, now, perfect. Oh, too much. All right, perfect. So that's actually my desktop. So we're going to rename that 65-inch TV. 65-inch TV. Okay. Well, did our keyboard stop working or something? Or what's going on here? Is OBS hating on me? Rename 65-inch TV. Okay. Well, where's it already in use at? Is this it? Well, oh shit, there we go. Oh well, shit. Let's I did not know that, guys. We're learning. No, we're gonna remove that guy. Okay. We just say we're gonna move scene 3. Okay. Scene 2, we don't need that. Okay. So scene 1. All right, here we go. All right, there's that right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Can we rename this uh main stream set up? Nope, we can't rename it. Come on, rename it. Let me rename it. Rename it. Apparently, you can't rename it. Oh no, hold on. There we go. Stream setup. Okay. Hit there. Perfect. All right, so we got that renamed. Okay. Beautiful. All right. Now I don't need the scene transitions, so I can get rid of that little guy. Scenes. Nope. Well, actually, I don't need him either. Uh, the scenes transitions. I don't need that. So that's what I need. And then the stats. The stats are floating over here. All right, now you go right there. Perfect. Now let's see. Can we? Uh, there we go. Perfect. So now I can see what volume's what. Okay. Perfect. Perfect. All right. I appreciate y'all's patience, guys. All right. Now we can go ahead and stop that. All right. So now we would need to hide that. All right, there's that right there. So there's my outro video right there. Beautiful, outstanding. Okay, so now I can move uh this over here to where. All right, that's setting right there. So now what that allows me to do? That allows me to reset that. Okay, and then I can pause it. Oh, that's the video. This guy right here. Okay. So what I do is I reset that. Okay. And then bring it back to the beginning. And, well, I'll show you on the intro. All right. So here's my intro. When I click on that, uh, I'll actually play it like so, right? Uh, but if I move this over too much, I can't see the controls of it. So, and I don't have a stream deck. So we have to fine tune everything where I can still see your beautiful chat. Okay. I can still see the streamers. Let's zoom out just one. All right, perfect. All right, so now we got everything set up. Okay, so that's my intro. This capture right here, you're not going to see nothing because I don't have the game loaded up. 65-inch TVs right there. I don't have one for the other. So, you know what? Let's go ahead and load up the game real quick and see. Uh, Testing for science. Haha, love it. Let me grab my board thingy right here because it's heavy. It's the board that I use for my uh All right, can you hear me now? Oh shit, that is loud. So I'm not sure what's going on with this guy over here. Um, the mic on that side, it uh should be USB default, but it's not. And if I'm screaming at you guys, I'm sorry. I'm not trying to. So I apologize. But this right here is unhide all. Nothing should be hidden. This guy right here should be the actual USB mic. All right now, there we go. Okay, now this guy right here should be the Corsair mic. All right now, there we go. Beautiful. All right. I don't know why that does that. I do not know why that does that. So, now let's unpause this real quick. Beautiful. That gives that a value. That gives that a value. All right, perfect. All right, so we'll lock that. We will. I got hidden sources? No, I don't. So advanced audio properties, no. Everything's good now. Then we move OBS back over to the other side over there. Um, there we go. Beautiful. All right, so now we're checking the volume in the game and all that stuff. I don't know what happened to the mic or anything like that. It went weird, but we're not streaming really, guys. We're just testing, setting things up and all that stuff, and then because I figured I'd pick a time, in the morning where nobody's really watching or anything like that. Um, and then I'd play with the sound and all that stuff, set things up and all that. That way, it didn't bother anybody or anything like that. We're not really gonna play the game. We're just testing the game and all that. Of course, this game's addictive, so we might play a little bit. That's okay if we do. That's perfectly okay if we do. It's a fun game, So we might catch a little fish. Oh, and just just so y'all know, if you watched my stream, yeah, if you watched my stream, guys, I just want you to know I spent all my money. Spent all my money, guys. Yes. So, um, that means that when we come back to fishing, we'll do a private room because we're hiding in shame. All right. So, internet is looking somewhat good ish. Ish. All right. It's actually early in the morning, my time. So, see if we can catch a fish. Just, just to see. Okay. We're gonna try to catch a fishy. Like I said, we're not really fishing or streaming. We're just testing everything. Oh, okay, let's get this. Let's get it on number two. Get a little stop and go action. I'm almost certain that I got a fish. When it hovers like that, that's usually a fish is interested. Whenever it hovers like that, because I'm like going through a 20-foot channel or like an 18-foot channel. So with that being said, all right, we got. Oh nope, we lost the fishy. This rod right here is the rod from Mongolia over there. So we uh, this little rod, that see how it's, yeah, there's a fish. He's chasing it. He's chasing it. Uh, yeah, there you go. We got him. Nope, we snatched it out of his mouth. Well, this rod right here is actually a large. It's like a 53-pound test rod, anyhow. So that little guy, we would have to get one of these little fellas right here. What are you? We'd have to get this little guy right here. This is more. This is like a 10-pound rod right here. 10-pound test. So we can do this and catch them because this you can feel the strikes easier. Oh, let's get a speed two. Stop and go. There we go. We got some stop and go. All right. Yep. He's bumping it again. He's nudging it. Nope. We pulled it out of his mouth. They're wanting to bite. They're wanting to bite, guys. This is a 4-aught hook anyhow, so it might be a little too big for that little guy. All right. Let's see if we can get a little stop and go action. All right, we got some stop and go. All right. Trying to lift it off the bottom. For some reason I can't get it off. Get off the bottom. There you go. All right. We got it off the bottom that time. This damn game's so addicting. Yeah, it's very addicting. Maybe the fish will jump out at me. I need to go back to my YouTube channel from yesterday's stream and click that where the uh yeah, I need to clip that. Make a GIF out of it. Yeah. All right, so we didn't catch no fish, but that's okay. Oh, Ross still cast out. All right, now I can go back and I can look at everything and stuff like that. All right, we're gonna go ahead and exit out of this. Okay, just like we're playing the game, you'll get a blank screen like that until I turn this guy on. And now it comes on, the end, and it starts playing the song and stuff like that. Now, these songs, they're supposed to be non copyright songs, but every time I use these songs, I get a copyright on my channel. So if I ever monetize my channel, or if it ever gets monetized, I won't get monetized because these songs, these non-copyright songs, are now like they copyright your channel. They used to not copyright my channel, but now, well, there's nothing in this world for free, guys. But I do thank those y'all that popped in. There was two of y'all that popped in and all that stuff, and I do appreciate that. So I'm gonna pause that because I'm getting that ready for next live stream. Come on, rewind. Okay, you're rewound. All right, perfect. So I got everything set. Got the chat fixed finally. Yay! And now I know how to do it for future reference. I now know how to do it. But I can see it, and that's all that matters. All right, so guys, I will absolutely catch you in my next stream. Thank y'all for being understanding on this test stream right here and helping us get the settings. And you know what I'll do just for you? I'll show you that fish again. Yeah, that's what I'll do. Uh, there it is. So that. Oh, hold up. What did I? Now what the hell did I do? No, I don't want a freaking group. Okay. So there's the fish right there. All right, let's unlock it so we can move some shit around. All right, there's that. Just whenever I get everything fixed, it does this stupid shit. Really? Come on. There's that. All right, now let's lock that down. Perfect. All right, let's just double check everything else. I just thought we was going to be done with this. All right, so now let me go ahead and put that back over there. Reset everything. So that means I got to turn on the intro video. Remember how I told you I had to have the little setting to where I could pause and unpause and restart the little intro. There it is. All right, so now I can pause the intro, restart the intro. All right, and then just like that. All right, so I think, guys, I think we got everything set up finally. If I quit pushing down buttons and all that stuff, you got to understand 32-inch monitor. I wear glasses, can't see shit. My 55-inch monitor, it just decided, hey, I'm just going to stop working. So, guys, I'm going to be done messing with this because it's 4:06 a.m. my time. I'm going to try to give me a couple hours nap because I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow at 9 a.m. So, yep, there we go.